the next feature that we're going to look at is the library. The new library has a bit of a new look and feel. We've launched now the V1 of it. Gabor can give a little bit more insight into what's already there, what's still coming. But already from a usability point of view and from a layout point of view, this should be a huge improvement. We really felt like the library deserved to be more visual, more user-friendly. So we've implemented a search bar. But you can also see at the top, you can even pin things as well. So you can say, these are my pinned files, and those will be just your files just for you, that you can really keep at hand and ready easily. You can see what is new, what is recently opened by you. So the idea is that the navigation is really much easier and much more straightforward for all the front-end users. I don't know what you want to add to that, Gabor, in terms of the technical side, if there's anything that I missed.
Yes. So as you said, this is also with the V1. The V1 target was to have the fresh look on the library. And we have one major feature is the pinning, as you said. So any user can set some of the items as favorite, or in other words, that we call it pinned. And indeed, in the next weeks, and part of the next webinar will be the enhancements of the library. We will improve the search, because at the moment you type a search term and it is looking in the titles, but we are going to look in tags, and we will have a more powerful search tool on the top. And also in the design, here on the video, you can see we have pinned, new. Now the video is not at the position, but we also have recommended and recently opened. So at the moment we rolled out with pinned and new for these highlighted items on the top. And we are currently implementing the recently opened. The backend team is currently working on it. And also the recommended, and the recommended will be a solution for administrators to kind of highlight some items. So that will be a really great tool. But on top of this, we also have like some small requests from clients, like being able to add a description for the files. You can see that we already show the thumbnails for images. So we don't have anymore the icons of the image, but we are directly showing the image here when we are switching to this thumbnail view. But we will allow adding images for all the other documents as well. So let it be a PowerPoint, a doc file, whatever. You will be able to upload also an image if you want to kind of not have the type icon, to make it even more better looking and so on. And as you can see, we have filters here between the highlighted items and the list. We have type filter, we have text filter, the pinned filter, and the last modified, which are not there yet. It's also something which is coming in the next few weeks to get a better filtering possibility. So yes, a lot of features here. And we also thought about administrators. So we have a few features, most probably Q1, probably Q2, to say, for example, bulk upload documents into the library, not having to one by one upload things. And there are other ideas that we are coming with, but we are also very open to your ideas. So if you have something that could make the library even more powerful, just please don't hesitate and let us know.
Yeah, definitely. Like Gabor said, we're always really open to new requests and new challenges as well. So any questions you might have or any new feature requests, we're happy to review that and see if we could fit that in somewhere in the new library roadmap.